burnt out really easily. Just eat little bites at a time. I was trying to shake out some chili powder. It like dumped. I've had a few days where I've felt pretty good, really motivated, been doing, you know, daily cleaning and stuff like that, and I've stayed motivated to do it. But then if I do too much, I get burnt out really easily. Those are just normal things. I don't know. Trump extended the social distancing date to April 30th, which I'm sure you already know that. And that's all. We haven't had fresh fruit for about a week. We're gonna be getting our Misfits box of produce in a couple of days. Thank goodness. I'm pretty sure there's still fresh fruit left at the stores, but you know, with us not wanting to go out, if we don't need to, we haven't. I don't know. Today, I go back and forth from feeling kind of motivated to like do housework and feeling kind of down just because of, you know, the world situation right now. So I guess what we're doing now is what they call taking it one day at a time. I did the dishes. I did all the laundry that was dirty, which I'm putting away right now. I vacuumed quite extensively within the, you know, library, dining room area. And after all that was done, for some reason, just getting burnt out today. But I feel like I'm being lazy, so I just want to keep like cleaning and stuff. I don't know. I wanted to get us outside at some point, but maybe get other stuff done around the house, and Bill did take him out this morning before he went to work. So if we don't go out, I don't feel too bad. There you go.
feel bronze.
Yeah. Oh, look how orange that is. Smell it. It smells a little bit like a melon.
Yuck.
I mean, yuck.
Yummy. Does it taste like one too?
No, it tastes a lot different, honestly.
But it smells like watermelon. It smells.
You think it smells like watermelon?
Yes.
That's silly.
Because watermelon is my favorite.
Is it?
It's yummy. I don't like those kind. I don't like those kind.
So good.
Yummy. You're gonna get bumpy triggers.
Yeah, they did real bad.
Yeah. Is this SpongeBob game? Don't taste the spicy.
Wonder if it would be good on rice. Is it spicy? No?
Why is the spicy not coming?
It's not. I thought it was a little spicy. Is it not?
No. It's not spicy at all.
Oh, okay. The bean is good. Here, try the bean. It's a little kidney bean. Beans are good.
I never tried this bean.
Yeah, it's called a kidney bean.
Yummy.
Tastes okay?
Yeah. Where's the other beans? Oh, I found a bean.
Yeah, I definitely put way too much spice in here. Some of it's a little bit spicy. Whoops. Just eat little bites at a time.
Is that a kid-friendly bean?
Kid-friendly bean? It's called a kidney bean. When I was mixing up the spices for this, I was trying to shake out some chili powder. It like dumped. It dumped all over in the spices that I was mixing up. So this is very chili-y, chili powdery.
Look how much chili powder that's on mine.
Yeah, this definitely needs some rice or something to dilute the overpowering flavor. Tobias just picking the beans out of it.
It's kid powder bean.
Kid powder bean. It's kidney beans.
Is that yummy? The cats are playing tag. movies in the creek?
We need it to melt.
It's almost done melting.
Almost. I don't know why I've not made Rice Krispie treats more in my lifetime because they're so easy.
Same here.
Wow.
Start shaking them in there.
It smells like gross thing.
It doesn't smell gross. It smells like marshmallows.
Smell that. You're so silly.
Wow. Kind of looks like spider webs.